Hey everyone, welcome back to Bez Reviews. Today we're checking out the NordicTrack T Series 6.5 S Treadmill. Check the link in the description for the best price. This machine aims to bring a connected fitness experience right into your home. Let's dive into the core performance and key features of the NordicTrack T Series 6.5 S Treadmill. We'll examine its speed, incline, cushioning, and the smart features that set it apart. The speed range up to 10 miles per hour and incline up to 10% provide excellent options for diverse training routines. Keyflex cushioning helps reduce joint impact, making your running and walking sessions much more comfortable. The iFIT integration offers interactive workouts that automatically adjust speed and incline for a more immersive experience. A 5-inch LCD display keeps your workout stats visible, and the device shelf is convenient for your tablet or phone. This treadmill offers good core functionality for home workouts, with its standout feature being the iFIT integration for enhanced training. Let's assess the overall value and what it's like to own the NordicTrack T Series 6.5 S Treadmill. We'll look at its price point, storage, and any additional requirements. Priced at around $655, this treadmill offers competitive value for the features it includes. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to store, which is a huge plus for home gym setups. A key consideration is that full interactive features rely on an iFIT membership, which adds to the long-term cost. The core specifications like speed, incline, and dimensions are clearly listed, giving you a good overview. The treadmill offers good value for its features, but remember to factor in the ongoing cost of an iFIT membership. Overall, the NordicTrack T Series 6.5 S Treadmill provides a solid platform for home cardio workouts. Its ability to integrate with iFIT for guided sessions and automatic adjustments really elevates the user experience. While a membership is necessary to unlock its full potential, the core treadmill functions are robust and suitable for walking, jogging, and light running. It's a compelling option for those looking to get fit at home with a bit of guidance.